Tuesday is ocean blue. 28 sit over you. Ferrari drops and Rovers too. You sit them out. TVs, I'ma flip them out. 50 thing. Tell them, ship it out. Coming down, shining rose gold. Feeling like a Mac pose. Cadillac with 5. Make these suckers hate mode.
A whole different engine and transmission in this shit. Manual, I'm about to manual swap it. Yeah. Yeah. It's like 270 horse, I think.
Gonna build it crazy.
Put cams in it. 04. Pick it up. Put it down. Why? Hold it. Alright, hold on. You can do it. Start from the top and work your way down. You afraid of shit for me? Ooh. No, I don't like that. The pointy looking shit, I don't like that.
You fill up your trunk like this?
Huh?
You fill up your trunk like this?
Yeah. I got this shit yesterday.
You want to design?
Probably go get some food or some shit.
That's what I gave you.
I'm taking the engine out, so 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm about to go cop chores.
Shrooms?
Nah, halal food. I think so. You busy tomorrow?
F1 shit.
Oh shit, the wagon. I wanna go check it out. Alright, I'm gonna hit him up today. But look at it.
Ooh, feeling like.
Oh, he took it down.
You gonna ask for it?
Yeah, it's a wagon. Listing is down. Oh, I got pictures. P36. He dropped it to 45. Give him 4K. Yeah, I bet. Gonna holler ya? Safety, bro. Nice to meet you.